Hello guys, welcome back to another drone flight of One True Legends. Today we are in Amersham, so without further ado, let's take off. So, we're flying in Amersham. My last drone flight I've flown in Rickmansworth in Hertfordshire. Now we're in the county of Buckinghamshire, so we're in Buckinghamshire right now. So, I've flown in 2 counties in one day, which is sick. So, yeah, of course, I took a London train to get here, so it's kind of in London, but it's not in London Borough. We're not in London Borough. We're in the county. We're actually outside of the M25, so we're fully outside London. Rickmansworth was inside the M25, so I wasn't proper outside of London, but now we're properly outside of London. So, we're going to do a 360-degree photo now. All right, 360-degree photo is now complete. Let's just zip around now. So let's go towards where the wind's blowing towards right now, because I want to do that first before we do going against the wind. So yeah, let's get a nice shot. So there's a lot of solar panels here. See, these drone flights are different because we're completely outside of London. We're quite far outside of London actually, even though we're in the Oyster Zone 9. So yeah, look at that proper countryside out in the counties right now. I'm actually planning to do a 3rd drone flight. Usually I do 2 drone flights only, but I'm planning to do a 3rd drone flight. The battery that I just used, which is my Mini 4 battery, I've just put that on charge with my fast charging power bank, because my power bank's fast charging. I can charge that quite quick, so by the time I finish this drone flight, that battery will be fully charged, and then we can basically in this way do unlimited drone flights. Obviously it depends how long the power bank lasts, but and that power bank's completely solar powered, so that drone flight, the next drone flight that I'm probably going to do, is going to be fully solar powered. It's a nice sunny day. You can't beat a day like this to fly a drone. So this is the countryside, and that's the whole place at Amersham. I was planning to go to Chesham, but the train wasn't going there yet, and I thought the first train that's going there, which is Amersham, I might as well just come here, and I might go there after to Chesham. Imagine to do 4 drone flights. That'll be unreal. So yeah, what else we've got to explore? We've got to explore this area down here. Got a little square in the middle. Where else can we go? Let's go towards this area down there. It's like these small towns. We haven't done these drone flights in small towns in a long time. Let's go towards this area down here. There's a KFC down here as well. This is my map. There's a KFC. Let's follow this, what I believe is a Tesla. It looks like a Tesla, I can just tell. Well, from the big screen, you might see it's different. There's a lot of solar panels here as well. Can we spot the KFC? From the small screen you probably cannot, but yeah, let's get a tour of this area. Let's see what's down there. Go towards this road over here. Where have we not been? Probably this silver car. Was it a blue car? Yes, light blue. Alright, let's get a nice shot. Go towards Sycamore Road. It's like a small narrow road. See, a lot of people's got solar panels in this neighbourhood. Look at that amazing shot. Keeping up with the same speed as the white car. Trees are blooming already. So half of this battery is solar powered, but the first half was from the grid. So our drone flights are completely renewable, because even from the grid, like when it's a windy day, 70% of the country is getting electricity from the wind, from wind farms, from the sea. Go towards this area. It's nice and little quiet in it, this area. Good thing about flying, and you can hear nature as well. You don't really get that in urban environments like London. Boys Lane, look at that. It's completely empty. Go towards the town centre again. I think we pretty much got the town centre. We can quite quickly get a shot of the town centre because this area is not really that large. Got a bus here. Actually, it's a local bus that runs in the area. It's not a London bus. I wonder what bus that is, but it's got. There's no wind. Okay, there is wind. But up there must be stronger. We had the exact same problem in Rickmansworth. See, even on days like this, we can't predict the wind. It's just messing with the gimbal. It's not too bad, obviously. Not too strong. Oh yeah, it's really strong now. Now I'm getting it after because the wind does it later. Red car right here. So where should we go now? Let's go towards. So our drone's coming back a bit slowly now. Where should we go now? Should we go towards the other way? Let's go towards the other way. The wind's kind of moving the drone quite a lot. See, look, I'm not touching the drone. It's moving quite a bit. I don't know why. I might come a bit lower so we get like a lower shot. This car is moving actually. So let's track it. It's quite interesting, isn't it? We'll track where it goes. It's gonna go underground and then it's gonna pop out from the bottom. Look at that nice shot. Look at that amazing look. Right, I'm gonna go toward the countryside. Look at that. You can hear the drone. It's like a sports drone. I might stay like stationary for a bit while this gust. It's like a calm gust, but it's enough to make the drone work a little bit harder. Even on like calm days, we literally don't get zero winds. We're gonna get winds all the time in this country. Let's go towards the countryside. Look at that. I'm making the drone stress really hard. Let's get a shot of the station. We haven't got a shot of the station yet. So that's the Metropolitan line that pulled up just in the station. I want to get a shot of that leaving the platform. We haven't gone down here yet. So that's the end of the line of the Metropolitan line, but then other trains continue onto here. And it goes towards Aylesbury, which I saw in the station. But that's not an oyster zone, so we can't go there, obviously. I mean, you can. I might do that in the future. I can go somewhere like Aylesbury or even further, but that'll be a bit far, so I'm not going to go that far. Let's get a shot of this area down there. Town centre of Amersham on the hill. It's like Harrow on the hill, but it's Amersham on the hill. Look at that, we're literally following it. The wind's actually pushing it towards that area, because the wind's pushing the drone. The wind's helping the drone, but then afterwards we're going to have to come back and fight the wind. We've not been here, have we? No, we haven't. Let's go down this road, the Woodside Road. Yeah, there's another car coming here, so let's track this car down. Nice little area in this countryside. Let's try and keep the car in the centre. Let's go down towards here, look at that. That's towards a viaduct, as you can see. Or is it a bridge? Yeah, you can see right there. You know what, let's not go far, because we're going to have trouble coming back. Yeah, we're already having trouble, but we've got enough battery, so should be good. We don't want to risk it, just in case this wind actually gets stronger. Because sometimes the wind might get really strong. We might get a really strong gust suddenly, and then our drone's going to be out there and the battery's just going to die. That happens with a lot of people. Like, you can't predict the wind at all, and if your drone's really far out there and your battery's really low, even if it's not that low, it can burn up the battery really fast, and then your drone's not going to come back. It's going to end up landing in a random place out there, and if you're just flying in an area, it might not be safe, and also it could land anywhere and then you might lose it as well. Unless you're flying in open fields, then you can retrieve it. If you're flying over the ocean, it's going to get lost. I've seen a lot of people on YouTube, they make videos, they've lost their drones that exact way in the sea. But I'm not going to make the same mistake. But obviously, we're not flying in the sea. Maybe in the future I might do drone flights in the sea, but I'm not going to go that far. I don't want to have it drown in the sea. We haven't gone this way, let's go this way. You can hear the ice cream van. You know that it's the season for it now. Maybe I should get a shot of the ice cream van, but I haven't got a shot of this area yet, so let's get a shot of this area, then we'll go towards the ice cream van. Yeah, the wind's picked up a bit, which is unfortunate. Where else can we go? What's down there? It's like a nice countryside lane. Look at that. Okay, the drone's really, the wind's really strong where I am. So, but the good thing is that we're getting tailwind, so the drone's going to come back easily. Because the drone's actually, the wind's actually helping the drone come back in this case. But where we were before, the wind was going against the drone. Yeah, nice little shot. Let's get a shot of the ice cream van, which is down there. The wind's quite strong now. I hope the drone's not struggling a little bit. What's down there? It's like the ice cream van's down here, as you can see. Let's get a shot of it. Probably see people getting ice cream. So that's the ice cream van right here. Can you see people getting ice cream? Probably, yeah, I think we can, but I can't really tell from my screen because it's quite small. But on the 4K display, which you're watching it at, you can definitely tell. Anyway, I'm gonna get the drone back to the landing spot. We're not even that far from here. Let's get the drone landed here in this area. Alright, so drone's back. Landing spot. Let's land it right over here. I could hand grab it, but I don't want to get it dirty, so I'm probably just going to grab it from the hand, which I usually do. See the reflection of the drone, let's see. Look at that. That is insane, isn't it? Actually, you know what? Look, check this out, yeah? Look at that. Getting shot on the road now. Right, let's spin the drone back now from here. Gotta be careful, we don't hit the bollards. Wind's getting a bit strong. I might just land it in the ground if it's strong. Right, I'll just do it. All right, so that was my drone fly in Amersham in the county of Buckinghamshire. So yeah, thank you for watching and I'll speak to you in the next one.